Today's day 6 of 14 days of Valentine's Day. Today I'm making Valentine's Day mousse cookie cups. First in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of Valentine's Day Funfetti cake mix. Next I'm going to add 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. Next mix that up until the cookie dough forms. Now I have a greased mini muffin pan. I'm going to add a scoop of the cookie dough into each one and then bake this at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies come out of the oven, use the back of a teaspoon to make wells in each cookie. Next, I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have 1½ cups of heavy cream. Then I'm going to mix that up until the heavy cream starts to thicken. Next, I'm going to add 1 packet of instant vanilla pudding mix and mix that up until it's combined. Now I have the cooled cookie cups on a plate and I put the pudding mousse into a piping bag and I'm going to fill each cookie cup. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some red heart sprinkles on top of the cookie cups. Here's an up-close look of the Valentine's Day mousse cookie cups.